What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to keep this intro kind of short because there is a couple things I just want to talk about real quick. So I will be going to Busco Beach Mud Bash. We're going to be taking Frostbite. We're also going to be taking Project Afterburner as well. Afterburner does have a leaky airbox. Not quite as bad as what the 450 was, but it is leaking, so I have to keep that in mind. We're also taking Project Yellow Jacket as well, but Yellow Jacket has a sales pending on it, so I probably won't be riding it as much, if not even hardly at all. So that's basically going to be the plan. And sorry if I'm running out of breath. Asthma is a killer and it's very hot out today. But yeah, we're going to be taking out KTM. We're going to be taking it out today. I'm going to be trying to basically get rid of my arm pump because racing season's coming up. You guys have probably noticed that, yeah, I'm doing a lot more dirt bike content on the channel recently because, yes, I'm racing in OSCR and also GNCC this year. So I'm going to be riding a lot of dirt bikes this year. So it is what it is. It's just the thing that I'm getting into. I need to get this MX-14 tire on it. I haven't done that yet. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. We're also going to be installing light whips in this video, which I'm going to have that segment after this one. They'll basically just be riding the rest of the time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you guys again at Busco Beach. Again, I will be down there. We're riding with a whole bunch of other YouTubers, and I will be there from Wednesday, I believe it's the 2nd, to that's upcoming Sunday, which I believe is either the 5th or the 6th. I'm not sure what the dates are. But that's basically the time that I will be down there, and I will be active at Mud Bash. So if you see us, just make sure to stop, say hi. If you want to ride with us, totally cool with that. And I'll see you guys and catch up in the next video. Take care. Alright, so this is a short intro. So we're going to be doing the Deermoto light whips. They sent them out to me. Huge shout out to Deermoto. I'll leave a link to their website in the description down below. We're probably going to be installing them on the Outlander. I'm still going back and forth on whether or not we should put them on the Renegade or the Outlander, but it's probably going to go on the Outlander. So we're going to go ahead and cut right into it.
You didn't get your key on.
Yeah, that would.
That's probably gonna help. Yeah, bud.
Dude.
All right.
Oh, that is sick.
Gonna get me a video of this one.
Holy crap, dude. These things are freaking nice.
Just installed light whips on Yellow Jacket here. These are pretty sweet.
Yep, got them on with the help of Dayton Trail Riders. Leave a link in the description down below.
Look at that. That's nice, man. I like those.
I love that. So,
hell yeah,
in
dude.
theory,
They
turn
should
it
go
off.
off.
Oh yeah,
go.
perfect.
Perfecto. All right. Where's the remote at, dude?
It doesn't have a remote.
Yes, it does. Right here.
Oh, it does?
Got the remote,
see,
sir.
I thought it was Bluetooth.
You can do it with the music. You can do the speed, the mode, the brightness. There's your remote. Wonder if there's a battery I gotta shove in it or something.
Out here camping. These are the Deermoto light whips in the dark. It's pretty dark outside. You can see the headlights on. These things are freaking sick. They are so cool. So yeah, make sure you guys check out the link in the description down below for Deermoto whip lights. Install is pretty easy, wasn't too hard. and it just adds a lot to the bike. It just makes it look so much cooler. We're out here today. I came out to ride randomly. I ran to this guy who's really good at riding pit bikes, so now we're doing a pit bike versus big bike video. I didn't plan on doing this originally. It's like a snake line. Yeah, that was good. Holy crap. That thing gets around pretty good. Nice. Yeah, let's try it here. That was so much easier than going over to the far right. Easier. That's another one for the pit bike. What's up?
Was you riding in Dayton Trail Riders last video?
I was.
Full set! Yeah.
Well, at least I got 1 point on the pit bike. Okay, I'm in trouble. Holy crap. Not
How the fuck I just did that?
Yeah, that was way smoother than how I made it. I mean, it looks doable. You got this. Oh. Oh my God. That was smooth.